G'day everybody, it's Steve here. I'd like to do a song today by an Aussie called Brian Cadd. He wrote this way back in '72. It's always been one of my favourites. It's a really nice, gentle song, got deep meaning, and it's called Ginger Man. So let me know what you think. Kind of goes like this. She wrote me from Texas, told me about the war, told me about my brother Jets living with the girl next door. I wish she told me more. Ginger man, follow me home again and again. Ginger man, follow me